What up, YouTube crew? We're here with the Mustang again. I'm pulling off the back bumper. Right in the back here it says Mustang, and the bumper I want to get doesn't say Mustang. I mean, if you know these cars, you're not going to need something to tell you, hey, it's a Mustang. So I just want to get rid of that script on the bumper and kind of make it different. The junkyard has one, and it's fairly cheap. He's going to let me trade this one in for the other one. And so that's what we're doing. And pop that bumper off. Okay, we got the bumper off. That was pretty easy. Time to go pick up the new one, swap it out. Alright, so we got the bumper on there. Just a little minor blemish right in here. Something that we can fix later on. I just need to get it on so I can drive the car. And notice the Mustang writing is gone. That's kind of why I wanted this. And this side, this fit is good. And unfortunately the reflectors, when I took them off, the little studs broke on them. I'm going to have to glue them in place. I'm not sure when I want to glue them. If I want to wait until I paint the car and then glue them, or glue them and then just have to mask them off when I paint it. But just wanted to show you what I'm doing to the car. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.